Hello, guys. Welcome to the Tarot Universe. Today, we are going to see afternoon thoughts of your person. Afternoon thoughts of your person. So, this will be mostly a no contact reading. Okay. If you are in no contact or separation or less contact with the person, so let's understand what situation you all are going through, what situation you are in. Okay. So, let's break the cards. Um, okay. Seduction. Okay. Separation here. So y'all are too attracted to each other. You already have a pretty good life or a pretty good sexual life, but now y'all are in separation. Okay, new beginning, new transaction. So reverse death, I can see the butterfly, evolving growth. So y'all are in this growth phase, healing your inner child, releasing the past. A very pretty energy. I would like to take out one more card. Coffin butterfly. Just one card. Shock. Okay. Sudden change, shocking news, surprise, epiphany, transformation. Okay. So from the separation, seduction, separation here, coffin, butterfly, and shock. It seemed that this person more like a hookup also. Maybe y'all were in this hookup. It's more of like a friends with benefits. It's coming. You all were in maybe this friends and benefits situation or a casual relationship situation. One of you all started having feelings for the other, and then like it ended because of that. Now you're transforming. It was a shock for you or the other person maybe. And if it's not a friends with benefits situation, it was a like a commitment connection, commitment wala connection. Then in that connection it seems that you already have a pretty good, yeah, you know that part. Okay, you had that, but it seemed like something came as a shock to you, sudden shock. Okay, now you all are healing from this. So let's know how your person is feeling, how it has impacted your person. Okay, let's see how this has impacted your person. Think about your person. Take his name 3 times. Universe, please guide me through. Okay, the lovers reverse. Okay, we have the fool, 6 of swords, Six of pentacles, and 10 of pentacles. With the lovers here, I can see a relationship that has internal conflicts. Although your person sees a good relationship here where there is physical attraction and temptation, but there are internal conflicts that have not been spoken about. There were insecurities, maybe self doubt, something. Maybe you needed to validate this person, or maybe you needed validation. This person needed also some kind of validation, which like it mostly conflict, separation energy has come. Okay, the fool. The fool with separation here states new beginning, but with the separation here, it's like a you're taking a leap of faith. You are in the separation energy, but now again you're turning into a butterfly. You are taking a leap of faith. There is a willingness to embrace the unknown with innocence and optimism. With six of swords in the coffin, again from this new beginning. Yeah, there is a new beginning with the leap of faith that you have been taking from the separation. Okay, it's no issues. I will work out. There are 7 billion people in this world. Maybe 3 billion to are men's, right? 3 billion, or maybe 1 billion is a man, and half a billion is married. And you have the half a billion. From the half a billion are kids. Okay, whatever. Let's not joke around that. But yes, you're seeing there are so many people. I will get somebody. So you are taking this leap of faith here, and you're starting a new beginning. But you cannot let go your past, which is why there are regrets here. There are disappointments that are coming from your past. You are hurt. This person is hurt. Okay, oh, I have been talking about this person. Maybe it's a mirroring energy. I took out this for your person, but it's like coming for you too. He had insecurities. There is seduction, separation. So yeah, he had this physical thing, and he had this thing of, yeah, he had this thing. Yes, the lovers. He was insecure. Although there was physical attraction, very insecurity is coming very loud. It's coming very loud. He cannot move on. It's not that he can move on from this. He remembers you, Six of Pentacles. There's a dance together. With the butterfly and the Six of Pentacles, I can see now he is in this zone where he wants an equal give and take connection in any relationship. A pretty dance here where your and this person's soul has entwingled away that he cannot let go with the Six of Swords and Six of Pentacles. With the Six of Pentacles, he cannot let go, and he feels hurt. With the Ten of Pentacles, I can see success, stability, and family harmony. Shock. Success is there, stability is there, but why is it shocking? I guess this family has left you for money. Maybe he got married somewhere else, or maybe he chose somebody. Oh, it can be like this. Maybe you all were in this hookup situation, just hooking up phase, friends with benefits, and it was a very good connection, but maybe it was a kind of long term also, I can see here. Okay, but suddenly he met somebody, or suddenly it's come from a family thing or somebody, that there is a proposal that has come to this person, that he left you or you left this person. It's coming as a shock for this person. It's a shock that you have left this person or he has left you. It's coming mirroring energy, so I'm not able to say. So let me take out your cards so that I'm like more sure what's happening in this connection, because it's a mirroring energy that's coming actually for you. So I am not sure of what's happening here. The Chariot. Okay, you are not moving. You are not giving the person a damn. Okay. Yes. You don't want this relationship anymore. You are tired. Hmm. Okay, what's the shock to this? You have become selfless. Baby, is it you? Is it you that has left this person for family or something? You have left this person for family, growth, career, something. It seems like that. That's the energy that's coming from me. The shock to you over here is how you had become selfless for this person and he did not value it. Yes, you were the person needed answers, the person needed validation. I don't want to make you regret, my viewer, but this person needed validation and he was insecure at some point of time. But you did not give him the validation. You did not speak for him. You did not take his stand. It seems like that. When you could have. When this person was willing, this person was asking for you to take a stand. You didn't take a stand for him. With a separation energy, he's in this pool of energy where he's taking a leap of faith that you will come, you will walk. But you're rethinking your decision. You don't want to walk. You don't want to work towards this person, and this person is eagerly waiting for you. Coffin energy, where there is new beginning, and he can do a new beginning. You also don't want a new beginning, and this person is in regrets. This person is holding you. You are not nurturing this person. You don't want a new beginning. At the same time, this person is like stuck. The person is in a stuck energy with a lot of guilt. With a butterfly, I can see there's a like next phase healing energy, that inner child. You are like nurturing your inner child, both of y'all. Over here, he's ready for an equal give and take connection, but you don't want to take a leap of faith here with him. You don't want to come to this connection anymore. With the shock energy, I can see he's ready to give, but you don't want to this time. You don't want to. I would like. Let's see what is going to happen in this connection. Okay. Let us see what is going to happen in this connection for both of y'all. What is coming? What is coming for you both? You both are going to release this burden that's coming. You both are going to release this burden. The burden where you don't want to take step, and the burden where he is insecure. Over here with the separation, where he's taking a leap of faith and you cannot work. Uh, he's waiting, but he will still be waiting. It seems for a long period of time. He'll still like with everything. He will have everything. It's not that he will not be in a new relationship. He will, but still he will look forward of you coming over here with the Six of Swords and you nurturing. Yes, he will. He will. He is waiting for you. I'm sorry. With the new beginning, also, like maybe he might be with somebody, but under he's waiting for you. I don't know. I don't want to do all this reading, like waiting for you. I don't like these readings, but it's coming. Yes, here he wants where he wants an equal give and take connection. where he wants this, and where you don't have the strength to speak up or be courageous for this person. He will slowly give hope. He will give out hope, but he will wait for you. He'll give out hope, which is why he's going to a new connection, or he has gone to a new connection, but he's not happy in this new connection. He's shocked that you've chosen somebody else. You've chosen money, you've chosen this, or maybe he has chosen. He's shocked about his actions, and you are shocked about your. He's shocked with his actions, and or he's shocked with your actions. It's gonna be, this card is gonna be either speaking for either of two, but looking at your energy, I don't think it's you, because you want to become selfish. You're more of selfish kind of energy. You have become so selfless in this connection that now you want to think about yourself. Although there's some part of you still beats for this person, but again you think that this connection is not something that you would want to go for. See, this is a subconscious energy. Yeah, a lot of choices that are coming, a lot of choices, a lot of options. Okay, a lot of options. We have Queen of Pentacles, bottom of the deck here. Okay, we have Queen of Pentacles, bottom of the deck, and for this we had Ten of Cups. Okay, where you want a family, he wants you. What energy has come? Okay, so let's see what's the guidance from the universe for you. Okay, okay. I can see you might be a Leo, although. Okay, he might be a Gemini, can be. Oh god, a lot of cards have fallen. Let's see guidance. Okay, let's see the guidance for my viewers. Guidance for my viewers, universe. Please guide my viewers. Take a reality check. Okay, know your words. Okay, so you or either this person can be Capricorn, Taurus, you can be Libra. Keep your heart open, be humble. So you all can be Leo. Leo has come here also. Be humble. Be humble. See, what's meant to be yours will be yours, but what's not meant to be yours, you all don't. I don't know why I'm feeling like to take one more card here to see. Oh my god. Okay, let's take all of these wedding rings. Paradise. Yeah, you have cut down this person. Coffee cup, meeting and talking. You will talk to a new person, and there's a runner energy where you're running. Fear of being intimate again. Density turmoil. Okay, with all these cards here, yeah, there is a connection for you, but again, you're gonna be scared. There will be new love. There will be new love, but you're gonna run from this new love, and another person is gonna heal you. Keep your heart open, because don't run. Okay, don't run from this new energy, because keep your heart open, because you're gonna get wedding rings. You're gonna get new connection. Yeah, it's coming. You have left this person for like family or something, family pressure or something. Yeah, wedding rings. Keep your heart open. Okay, don't run. Don't run. Be humble. Okay, know your worth. Know your worth. Okay, meeting new person, talking, that does not mean you become selfless again. Okay, take a reality check. Okay, know your worth. Take a reality check. Be happy. Know your worth. Be happy. Enjoy. Okay, but at the same time, do not do the mistakes again. Take a reality check means cut down. Take a reality check and move forward. Okay, move forward. Come out of this runner energy. Okay. Okay. Thank you guys so much. I hope this reading resonates. Please like this reading to exchange the energies, and please write I claim in the comment, and also suggest if you want any new topics so that I can do more of what you all want. Thank you so much. This reading might resonate, this reading might not resonate. Don't force onto this reading. Please do not force onto this reading. Okay? This reading is just a mere guidance. Don't take it to heart. I hope you enjoy my readings. Thank you so much.